Hi everyone, today I bought this cassette recorder from a bargain shop. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know whether it is working or not. Anyway, we'll test it and see. First, I'll plug in the power protection bulb and see. The input of the speakers is damaged, so that's why I'm going to use the headphones. There is a dim light here, meaning that the power circuit is okay. I can only hear some noise. This is the radio, and I'm afraid this switch is broken. I can only hear some noise, but not channels. And let's see the cassette tape. The cassette is dead. All the keys are stuck. Let's open it up and see what we can do. Here it is from inside. Oh my god. As usual, it is full of dead cockroaches. I hate cockroaches. I'll take everything out. Now I took it out. I took all the parts out. The problem now we have is that we don't have neither AM nor FM. We have nothing, no radio signal at all. So the first thing to suspect are the capacitors. Second thing is the AM FM IC, this one. And on eye inspection, I see that it is burnt. There's burn here. There's burn. So we're going to replace this IC, AM FM IC. Let's see its number. It is BA1442A. I'll search for an equivalent for this IC in the IC equivalence book. Okay, I found 3 equivalents for this IC. I'll search whether I have one or not. One of the equivalents. Okay. You know, now after replacing the IC, I'm tuning. Yes, I can hear a sound. Yeah, this is a song. Yeah, it is working now, right? Now after doing the repair to the radio is working alright. We will replace this speaker socket because it is damaged. I'll just try to find a spare part for it. I found one here, although all of them are black, but it will work. It will be a good replacement for this one. Before trying to remove this socket, we will brush it with thinner to make sure that there is no solder left. There is still some solder left here. I'll remove them before trying to braid the socket out. Now I've fixed already the socket. Now it's time to fix the cassette recorder. Okay, there are supposed to be 2 bolts here. There's only one. And this side is auto reverse. Here there's supposed also to be 2 bolts, but there's one. This bolt is bigger than that one because this is auto reverse. Okay, there are 2 grooves here. One for this bolt, and the other bolt goes to the motor. Okay, there are also 2 grooves in the rotor. One for this side and the other one for that side. Okay, we will install 2 bolts. We'll unscrew this board so that we can see. We've unscrewed the rotor. There's a milk rubber belt here. We'll remove it, and as we have said previously, there are 2 grooves. This is one groove and this is the other one. Okay, I'll clean it, then I'll put it back. After I installed the belt, I will tell you how I did it. Now notice how I installed the belt. For those belts, they are quite easy. One goes from this bench roller to the pulley, and the other one goes from the rotor to this bench roller. Meaning that this bench roller has 2 grooves. And the rotor also has 2 grooves. One groove goes to this bench roller and the other groove for this bench roller. See, from the roller to this pulley, then it goes this way, straight, then round, then you turn, okay, and from under this bench roller to the rotor again. This is how we did it. Can you see it? Now time to test everything. Now the moment of truth. Now I'll plug in the power protection bulb and see whether it will work or not. It is working now, right? I'll put it back and restore it to its original state. But before I put it back, I need to inject all the switches and also this variable capacitor with the kerosene. For those controls, they are okay. Not much, just a little. That's enough. I'll use anti-grease to remove this paint. Okay, then I'll use my magical solution to polish it. We have to keep this anti-grease away from our skin because it is very strong. Now let's see. Much better by far. Much better. The paint is removed. Still the back and the side. But there is not much. I'll put more. And as I told you before, keep it away from any writing because it removes the writing. Let's do the other side. The other side is okay. It's okay, no need. Now time to apply my magical solution. I stir it very well, then I start to apply it. بقلبه كويس يا جماعه وبعد كده ببدأ اللي انا ايه احطه. I'm afraid there is still some grease on the front. I cannot use the anti-grease because it will remove the writing. So I use anti-stain. Okay, this is Clothes anti-stain. This is softer than anti-grease. It does not remove writing. So I use it to polish and to remove the grease from the front. I'll use the blower to blow away the excess solution. After that I clean it up with a clean piece of rug. It has been restored already. Now let's try it.
أولم يهد للذين يرثون الأرض من بعد أهلها أن لو نشاء أصبناهم بذنوبهم.
صدق الله العظيم.
الاستثمارات اليابانية في مصر وفتح آفاق رحبة أمام مجتمع الأعمال الياباني للاستفادة من الفرص الواعدة بالمشروعات.
إصدار سندات مصرية في اليابان مضمونة بواحد من أكبر. السلام عليك يا بدر التمام يا نور.
نسرين مساء الخير يا استاذ كريم.
كل فاتن اهلا بيك.
احمد محمود مصطفى.
اهلا بحضرتك، اهلا بيك يا فندم.
شايف ايه بقى يا استاذ احمد؟
شايف ايه في ايه بالظبط؟
موضوعنا ولا انت مش سامعنا اصلا ولا ايه؟
حاجة جديدة. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. See you on a new video. Bye for now.